How to update all drivers in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you guys how you guys can update all your drivers in Windows device. So without any further ado, let's begin. First step, open up your Windows setting. After you open up your settings, on the left hand side, you'll find the Windows Update option. Locate Windows Update and then open it up. After you open Windows Update, you should find an option that says Check for Updates. You can tap on Check for Updates to make sure that all the updates that you have is the latest ones. So let this get finished. After your checking for updates gets finished, if it does not work, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi as this requires Wi-Fi. And after that, you can then head over to Advanced option right here. Tap on Advanced option. And after you do that, you should find the additional options. So on the additional options, you can head over to additional updates. And from here, you should find the driver updates option. You can expand on this. And all you now have to do is select all your drivers that need the updating. And after you've selected all of those, finally tap on Download and Install. After you selected download and install it, the update should start beginning. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.